Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn DM etiquette templates for faster replies step by step clearly. Open your LinkedIn app or website. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the top right corner of your homepage. Click on the Me icon to access your profile. In the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. On the left sidebar, click on Communications. Scroll down to the Messaging experience. Look for the option to manage messaging templates. Click on Manage Template Responses. You will see an option to create new templates. Select this option to start creating a new DM etiquette template. In the text box, enter a clear and concise message. Make sure your message is professional and reflects your communication style. Once your template is ready, give it a suitable name. Save the template to your account. To use your template in future messages, open a conversation. Click on the message box where you type your replies. Look for the template icon or quick access feature. Select your saved DM etiquette template from the list. Edit the template if necessary before sending. This ensures that your responses are both efficient and professional. Repeat the process to create additional templates as needed. Using these templates will help streamline your LinkedIn communication. Now you're ready to reply to DMs more effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.